Confident people don't just act differently, they speak differently. And these 5 phrases? They never say them at work. I'm not good at this. Confident people say, I'm still learning this. This might be a stupid idea. Replace with, here's an idea worth exploring. Sorry, I'm probably wrong. Instead, here's my perspective. I'll try. Say, I'll get it done. It's not my fault. Confident people say, here's how we can fix it. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about choosing better words. Start changing what you say, and watch how people treat you. Follow for more career confidence tips.